Hello, good morning, guys. This morning, I just got my new SUNJOE uh, electrical power washer. So I just wanted to share how it looks like, and just unboxing basically. So let's see and open it up. I did few researches on different power washers, and I didn't know what kind do I want. There are so many out there with my two questions were how much power do I need, and how many gallons of water my power washer would be using. So I don't want to waste too much money. At the same time, I want more power also, so that I could clean stuff around the house, I guess. So let's see. Here's the power washer. Here are some of the accessories. Some hoses. Yeah. And here's a gun. So we have I guess this is for the detergent container that goes here. Yeah, so it goes here. Okay. There's the water hose that goes on the back of the power wash. And here's a menu. Okay. And here are some nozzles which are very important. It has a 15-degree angle nozzles, 25-degree angle nozzles, 0-degree, must be very powerful. This one is for soap, and it has 40-degree, so 40-degree is gonna save time. So. Oh, okay. I believe this goes on the gun. Yeah, it goes like this, and good to go. Looks like everything is in order. Packaging is good. Shipping was a little bit delayed, but finally I got it. Happy about it. So here it is. We assembled everything, the cord, all the nozzles. One nozzle is up on the head there, and so this had to be screwed, and two nails go here, and then the stand for the, I guess, the support for the gun has to be assembled, and this has to be assembled where the head of the gun stays, so that I guess it would not drag on the ground. And the water hose goes here on and off, and pretty much that's it. So there it is. It takes about 1.76 gallon of water per minute, and I like it. It is small, cute, and hopefully it's powerful. We will see when we try it and how it cleans. So I'm using 40-degree angle nozzle, and here's the difference between the black stuff and the clean stuff on the other side. There's some green moss. It takes I guess few times to clean it, but the black stuff, it comes off easily. So I guess yeah, just wanted to show this difference.